Earth Day is here, and it's the perfect time to reflect on how we can all make a difference in protecting our planet. Every small action counts. Today, let's talk about simple ways you can help make a lasting impact. Start with something fun, biking and walking. These eco-friendly activities reduce pollution, save energy, and keep you healthy. Plus, they're a great way to connect with nature. Eating healthy. Choose local, sustainable foods to reduce your carbon footprint. Eating more fruits, vegetables, and less processed food not only benefits your health but the planet too. Recycling is a game changer. Make sure you're separating your recyclables, paper, glass, plastic, from trash to give materials a second life and reduce waste. Plant a tree or garden. Trees absorb carbon and give us the oxygen we breathe. Plus, plants make our world greener, more beautiful, and healthier. Finally, teach others about sustainability. Whether it's your family, friends, or the next generation, sharing simple steps to protect the Earth helps spread the message far and wide. On Earth Day and every day, your actions matter. Together, we can create a greener, healthier world. What will you do today to make a difference?